The jury in the Michael Rosfeld trial, he is sequestered for the night after a long day of testimony. Rosfeld is the former police officer accused of shooting Antwon Rose II. Ralph Iannotti is live with more on what happened on day 2 of the trial. Ralph.
Yeah, thanks very much, Susan. Today's testimony wrapped up around 6 o'clock this evening. Some 12 witnesses testified today. Jurors heard from police officers, crime scene technicians, and witnesses to the fatal shooting of Antwon Rose II in day 2 of the homicide trial of former East Pittsburgh police officer Michael Rosfeld, accused of 1 count of homicide in the death of the 17-year-old Rose last summer. The day's final prosecution witness was a scientist from the medical examiner's office who testified he found gunshot residue on Rose's left hand and right palm. But Daniel Wolf said the residue didn't necessarily mean Rose fired a gun. Instead, he said the residue could have come from Rosfeld's weapon. After the trial concluded late this afternoon, the Rose family attorney weighed in on Wolf's testimony.
Unfortunately, I've been a part of cases where the victims have gunshot residue on them after they're shot by a police officer. It only makes sense that someone who's been shot multiple times would have gun residue on them. And in addition to that, we know that the backseat passenger of the car that Antwon was in fired his gun within that car over 9 times.
Perhaps the day's most riveting testimony came from a witness identified as John Leach, a neighbor who lived near the East Pittsburgh shooting scene. Leach testified that the officer was standing on the sidewalk and he was panicking. Leach said the officer was repeating over and over, "I don't know why I shot him. I don't know why I fired. I don't know why I shot." Under cross-examination, defense attorney Patrick Tomasi asked Leach, "You wouldn't be trying to juice things up?" Leach responded saying, "I don't have any reason to." Attorney Merritt, who was not under a court-sanctioned gag order, said the Rosfeld trial is moving swiftly.
I think the trial's proceeding fairly quickly, probably quicker than I've seen before. I've counted 16 witnesses in 2 days, and that's an amazing clip. I don't pretend to know the strategy of the prosecution, but it seems that they're moving rapidly towards closing their trial.
Now, testimony expected to resume tomorrow morning around 9 o'clock, and prosecutors may rest their case tomorrow. We're live tonight downtown. I'm Ralph Iannotti, KDKA News.